Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday, I did a video on this, and I started thinking, what if you didn't like those colors? I'm going to control copy that because I'm going to do it two different ways. Let's make sure this is broken apart. See, that says several fields, so we got more than one item. So we're going to go group and ungroup it. We're going to grab this blue, and I'm going to go to Edit and Find and Replace. Now I'm going to replace object, replace color. I'm looking for blue, and I'm going to turn it yellow. Look at that. In that length of time, you didn't have to redraw it or anything like that, and you could make it anything you want. You could do red. I want to turn the red to purple. Replace all. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Now, let's try another way. Remember, I copied an item. I'm going to put it right back where it was. I'm going to ungroup this, where I just have the blue, and I'm going to make it with the interactive fill tool. I don't know how I'm going to do it. What would be the best? Maybe put a little light blue up top, maybe a little bit more. And these are going to be hard to do because they're going to have to join. Let's just try it. Let's try a little black. I must have missed the mark. See, to make it work, you're going to have to be dead on with this other one. But we'll just try it. You know what? I don't think it's going to work. Let's make it a little bit more black. Take away the outline. Let's Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, Alternate C to have it rotate 20 degrees. See, that isn't going to look good. So always when I back up, I've got to copy something to make sure it's deleted. I might just leave the red alone because you're going to have to match it. Wonder how you just take away. I think you could just, I thought you could just double click on this. Let's see. There is a way to take away the intersect tool somehow. So you can copy the field, but it would be the opposite. No, that isn't what we want. You know what? I think you could just take it off the screen. Well, then it's going to do that. Boy, I thought it was going to be a quick little video. Tell you what, let's make it yellow. And let's do this. Let's try to copy fill. No, that didn't work. We're just going to have to do the same thing over here. But try to get it a yellow, similar close. I do that all the time. And they're going to have to be the same or they're not going to look right. So maybe I shouldn't even do this color. You know what? Let me just back up. Let me don't do the other colors and just do the two blue. Just do the blue and maybe make it look different. I'm just backing up. I'm hitting the return button, undo button. Okay, let's make this a little special because it doesn't matter. Let's put blue at both ends. And let's put a white in the middle. Ooh, I like it because it's shining through on both parts. I'm trying to get it more evenly. Let me put a little bit of blue here. I think this is going to look pretty good. And you know, there's one other tool that I never use. It's smoothing. I think it looks better without being smooth. That looks pretty cool. Let me Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, Alternate C to rotate from the center of the page and rotate it 20 degrees. That looks pretty good. That looks really good. Let's put a black box around it. So the other way you could just change colors, you know, if you back up and do it this way, you can change, for now, one of the colors. And, you know, you could do a lot with that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.